Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of HR analytics implementation. I'm Dr. Sayma Zia, and I'm excited to guide you through this journey of integrating analytics into HR processes, managing change, engaging stakeholders, and measuring impact. Let's get started. First, let's discuss the integration of analytics into HR processes and systems. This step is crucial for harnessing the power of data to drive informed decision-making and strategic initiatives within organizations. Change management and stakeholder engagement are crucial for successful HR analytics implementation. Incorporating a structured change management framework, such as impact assessments and engagement matrices, is essential. This approach helps in clearly communicating the benefits of analytics, addressing any concerns, and involving key stakeholders effectively to secure their buy-in and support. Lastly, we'll explore how to measure the impact of HR analytics initiatives. By tracking metrics such as employee retention, productivity, and cost savings, we can demonstrate the value of analytics investments and drive continuous improvement. Let's dive into a real-life case study to see these principles in action. Meet HR Insights, a leading HR consultancy firm working with a multinational corporation, Global Solutions. HR Insights implemented an analytics-driven talent management strategy at Global Solutions, leveraging data to identify high-potential employees, optimize workforce planning, and enhance employee development programs. As a result, Global Solutions saw a 30% increase in employee retention and a 25% improvement in employee satisfaction within 1 year. In conclusion, implementing HR analytics requires a strategic approach, effective communication, and a focus on measurable outcomes. By following these principles, organizations can drive positive change and achieve their HR objectives. Thank you for joining me in this discussion on implementing HR analytics. For further details about HR metrics and its calculations, you can watch my video HR Metrics with examples. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into HR strategy and analytics. Until next time, take care and keep driving positive change in your organizations.